you look quite dry, Helen.
I'm dry at the moment, Sean. I haven't dried out from the last shower, of course. But here we are in the Bradstone garden. In fact, walking barefoot with Bradstone, although I'm not obliged. It gets too cold, first thing. Now, this is a contemporary space. It features the hard flooring here, the sort of textural planting as well. But I think the most interesting feature is the large ornamental pool. The water level rises and falls to reveal the lovely causeway. So quite a stunning garden. And even though it has been wet here this morning and cold, it's certainly not dampening anybody's spirits. But we've got more rain to come, unfortunately, before the day's out. In fact, right the way across the UK, we've got more rain to come. Indeed, much needed rain, I should say, here in the south, not necessarily in the north, which is where we've got some of the most heavy and persistent rain right now. The swirl of cloud on the Atlantic picture is just a signature of a deep area of low pressure once again crossing the country. So not only is it wet, but it's windy as well. Some of the heaviest rain, though, is across the Midlands right now, northern England as well, southern Scotland, encompassed in that big band, broad band of rain at the moment. North of the Great Glen, though, we have got some brighter weather here and just a few showers. The same so for parts of Northern Ireland. That will filter through as the day goes on here, so much brighter, and that brighter weather will eventually filter into the rest of southern Scotland and northern England, but further south we'll pick up the rain again. Quite heavy rain through Wales, more intermittent across the southern half of England, but it doesn't mean to say you're not going to get wet, because I think you will. And the wind is the other element to watch for, of course, across the southern half of the country. Winds are reaching strong, probably touching gale, I should imagine, through the Channel. Very choppy indeed. So it's not going to be warm today, with that rain only slowly pulling away, the brighter weather only slowly filtering down from the north. Actually, it's going to be cold weather. The brighter weather is as well, just 10 or 11 degrees today, 14 or 15 if we do see some brighter weather further south. But obviously we've got the strength of the wind to contend with as well. Then overnight, well, ironically, that's when the driest spell of weather will be, but it'll also be quite chilly. Blink and you miss it, but there's a bit of frost showing up across the Scottish Glens tonight, even some wintry weather in the showers over the mountains here, just to show you how cold it is. And then it's sunshine and showers for many of us as we go into tomorrow, but we've got more rain due across central and southern England, or central and southern Britain even, as we head towards the middle of the week. So a very unsettled picture, actually. It looks more like autumn on the weather charts than late spring, early summer. Not great, but here at least we need the rain. Back to you two.
Thanks very much, Helen.
Thank you very much, Helen.